What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got an exciting vlog today. Come in, I'll show you around. So we're actually buying my first ever Rolex. It's gonna be a bunch of us today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And I thought I'd take you along with the journey. But before, we didn't actually show this on the channel yet, but I bought a brand new apartment. So I'm super excited to showcase it. Let's give you a little tour around before we get the day started. So, first thing that I'm actually super excited about, that we did straight away when I got into the house, was we changed the lock into a smart lock. So this is the Akara smart lock, it's called the D1. And this is sick, you've got a fingerprint, you can use your Apple Watch, you can use your phone, everything to get inside. It's pretty handy, and it's got like a self-lock at night, all that kind of stuff, so it's pretty cool. Then we went ahead and decked out everything else that I could have possibly done. So the AC is the Eco B. So this thing is pretty cool, and it's basically whenever I leave, I don't have to worry about turning the AC off, all that kind of stuff. One of my favorite things about this apartment that I've done purely out of laziness, I'll be honest, because you can, is I swapped the curtains out. So I've got these little drivers called Akara drivers, and they basically just fit at the top of the rail. And you simply can control it on your phone, so Apple HomeKit is pretty sick, and you can use Alexa and all that kind of stuff. But all you do is you just tap a button, and you can set it so in the mornings it closes, opens, that kind of thing, and then bam, like they open up and close. That's so sick. So now I'm super lazy to that level. Let's take a look outside, and I'll give you guys a little breakdown of the view that we've got out here. So as you can see, we've got the lovely marina view down there. And I can also still see the palm. So in my previous place, I could see the palm. That's what I wanted to keep hold of. You've got some really nice kind of villas over there. But my main thing is the pool. The pool here is so nice. We've got like a lovely bar down there, and you've got a gym and spa in this accommodation. So I love it. And I've looked around so many places in Dubai. This has like a modern finish. Everything is really nice. And it's based in Emirates Hills, which is a really nice area. Now, this is the bit that you're probably most excited to see. That I'm literally gonna make a full dedicated video on this because I get asked it so many times. What is your setup and what is it like, especially the new setup? So here we have where all the magic happens. This is where everything goes down. We've got the 2 Pro XDRs, and yes, you know, some might call it overkill, but we do lots of editing, coding. Everything is done here. Like the whole operation comes out of this place right here. So this is my space to make it beautiful, just right. So over here, we've got all of our lovely accessories from GroveMate. So they're an awesome company that we're actually working with at the moment. I'll give a full breakdown of that in an upcoming video. And we've got a nice little headphone stand, loads of cool little accessories. And yeah, if you've ever wondered what the setup looks like behind the scenes, here we have it.
What's your favorite thing from the desk?
My favorite thing from the desk? I'll say the Pro XDRs. Jay knows because we went through a whole transition. We had the ultra wide. Now Jay has the ultra wide.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. And how you like the ultra wide?
Samsung Odyssey, yeah. It's pretty sick for editing and video editing and all that stuff.
Exactly.
Pretty good.
So Jay's taken more of a role in the editing side of things. Well, the only thing we can't figure out, so let me know in the comments, is what the hell do we do with this? Because this table came with the apartment, and this space is just a problem space for me. I've got that bit looking nice. I've got the desk looking nice. This is just, I don't know, like, which it's good for us. We eat here, we work here, but
yeah,
it's just random.
Big,
so any ideas, you know, and the guy who gives me, or the girl who gives me the right suggestion, free access to 0 to Full Stack Hero. So we give them access to the course, yeah.
Terms and conditions apply.
Yeah. We thought we would take you along buying my first luxury watch, so I'm super excited. It's going to be a little bit of a journey. So if you've never bought a watch or like anything like a Rolex before, you don't just go into a shop and buy one. They typically don't have them in stock, or they're sort of like only authorized dealers can sell them, or like reputable dealers, that kind of thing. So we managed to find someone who can source a watch. His name's Big Mo, and we're meeting him today at 3 to pick up the Batman Rolex. So it's a GMT Master 2, brand new 2023 edition, which is a lovely piece. And I'm buying it as both an investment piece, and it's just also something that I've always wanted. For me, it's like kind of a milestone. It's something that, like, you know, we've been saying for a while, like it's going to be a goal eventually. And we kind of hit it earlier, so it's really cool to celebrate that with you guys, bring you along. And also, yeah, we hit 1 million views on our Uber video. And it's not just Uber, everything. Like, there's so many videos, like 700, 800,000.
ChatGPT one is blowing up.
ChatGPT came out a month ago, it's at 500,000.
Already, yeah.
So firstly, thank you so much if you've been watching the channel and you're supporting us. The PAPAFAM's growing at a crazy rate.
Crazy.
And we've even got people coming up to us now in Dubai So if you're in Dubai and you want to come up meet us, just hit us up,
you know?
on team@papareact.com, and they can kind of reach out, and we're happy to go for a coffee, meet you guys.
Yeah.
One of my friends did something pretty cool though, because we hit 1 million views on our first video. As a milestone, bought me a lovely little gorilla. So that little guy is called Rohit, and he's part of the PAPAFAM, and it's just an awesome piece. I've heard DM saying, who is that in the background? What is that?
It's Rohit the monkey.
It's Rohit the monkey, so there you go. That's not gonna let that one down. Yeah. But guys, we're gonna take you along with us now. We've got a few things to do, and then we're gonna go pick up the watch. So super exciting stuff. And yeah, hope you enjoy the vlog. If you do, thumbs up. Thank you.
And subscribe.
Let's go. First stop, Dubai Mall. We're heading to the jeweler. So I'm gonna get a tragus piercing. The back, I always lose the thing, I don't know how. So we're gonna go replace that first. And then we're gonna head over to Big Mo. We're running a little bit tight on time, but we should make it. Gym overran this morning. We're getting started with a new thing, so yeah, should be fine. So our friends over here haven't experienced a Tesla before.
The power of Tesla.
The power of Tesla. I always love doing this, but like when you start from a little speed to then you, yeah, it's crazy. So we're in Dubai Mall right now. We're gonna go to the jeweler. He's one of my favorite jewelers. We usually buy stuff from him a lot, and we trust him.
Till then
Usually
we can
fixes
apply
up the
that.
family jewelry, all that kind of stuff. So let's go see him now, and then we're heading to Big Mo afterwards to pick up the watch. Good to see you. How are you?
Long time,
How are
brother.
you, sir?
This is a much better. The other one was too tight, you know. But if you're in Dubai Mall, you can check them out. National Jewelry. So something pretty like iconic happened
Memory.
in Cheesecake Factory over there.
The Cheesecake Factory there is where we decided my son's Jaden's name. And we were back and forth like, should we name him Jesse? Should we name him Jaden? Sonny's like, no,
Jay was
dude.
adamant on naming his son Jesse.
Jesse.
And I just couldn't. I was like, I cannot let you do it.
Because Sonny had a sister, Jessie.
I was
So,
good Jesse. Yeah, I was like, no, that's a girl's name.
yeah.
So like,
So like,
I mean,
fine.
I'm not hating on people with Jesse. It's a unisex name, but
Yeah.
you know, like
we went with Jaden.
Jaden's a nice name, man.
It's nice.
So yeah, this place, we have loads of memories in Dubai Mall.
So many memories.
It's crazy.
Love it. Caught me off guard there.
So Jay, what's your your go-to coffee?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
The most basic cappuccino with sugar, with lots of sugar.
Yeah, but you have like crazy amount of sugar, no?
No,
Who
not
was
not
it? I thought it was
diabetic,
you.
not
No?
diabetic level, but yeah, it's getting there.
I'm pretty sure he has like 3 sugars.
Don't tell anyone.
Exactly. I'm more basic. I go iced Americano. I'm on a diet, so yeah, there's like 0 calories in this. So
Sonny calculates his calories on the phone, so
summer's coming, so I have to kind of trim up a bit. Jay, every day I'm sitting there eating meal prep, and Jay will come in, order
With
KFC,
McDonald's.
order McDonald's, order this, that, and I'm sitting there like almost my.
Sonny's only smelling the
Yeah,
flavors.
I will go up to him and just sniff that. That's like my 2
That-
calories of a hit, and then I go back to my meal prep. Temporary, short term. So a lot of people are wondering, like, you know, why would you buy a watch? Even I was one of them. I was skeptical. I was like, you know, why do people buy watches in the first place? And the best thing I can say is the appreciation on a watch, if you get a good price, is great. So for me, it's just diversifying your assets. So if you've got money in a property, you've got money in the stock market, you've got money elsewhere, I wanted to shift some money into watches now as well as investments. And yeah, that's the main simple reason. I just wanted to diversify. So if something happened, there's also money in watches. Like you do with gold, no different. It's just like a watch. And also I love the piece, so that's my reasoning for getting the watch, yeah. We're on the way to Downtown Views now. So I've never been there before. Quite a nice building, but apparently it's like literally right next to the Dubai Mall, and then head out tomorrow.
and get his Rolex.
It's 3 minutes away.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's so close.
Yeah, he's saying that we can actually see from this camera, like Sentry mode, remotely from your phone. I didn't know that.
So right now my car's parked somewhere else. Yeah.
You better not get up to anything dodgy in the car. You can see the camera.
See, you can see inside my car now.
Oh, no way, that's sick.
Inside.
Yeah, that's definitely new. In London, you could see all four corners, but you couldn't see the inside. That's crazy, man.
And I'm not even near my car.
We are at Big Mo's, and first time doing some kind of Rolex pickup like this, so it'll be fun. Let's go see what it's about. He's going to showcase the watch, show us what it's about, do the handover, give us the certificates, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, let's go have some fun.
Let's go.
Nice to meet you, man. Good to see you, dude. Yeah, nice.
You?
Yeah, good.
Guys, it's Big Mo, and we're here to deliver an exclusive watch to Sunny, so we're excited to do this. It's his first Rolex, so I want to see his reaction. And if you see my smile, his smile's going to be bigger than this.
Yeah, that's it.
Excited for this.
When you're buying a watch, it's like you really trust this person. I find it's not
Exactly,
even a sales job, it's more of a relationship. So even when you reached out, like the customer service and we're talking, which watch to get, which watch not to get, you had a few on your mind. Especially for your first one, I know how it was for me, so you want to do your unboxing.
Let's do it, yeah.
I'm just going to do this part and you do the rest because I think it's just out of respect.
Yeah.
I think it's for your first Rolex, you should open it. I'm
awesome,
just going to do just this to cover, but I think the rest should be you. A long time ago, someone when I was, I didn't know that much about watches. They're like, the first one's like, oh, Mo, did you hear of the Batman? I'm like, Batman?
Yeah.
I'm like, what are you talking about? And it's funny because this is the watch that actually introduced me to the entire, the watch game that we're in right now.
Oh, really? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's
So it's like everyone's like, can you get the Batman? Can you get the Batman?
Yeah.
And then, and it's funny because like then when I got the Pepsi and I went home, my mom was like, oh, look, Mohammed, you got the Pepsi. So then it's like, it became now like the family's getting educated in the GMTs and the Batmans and the Pepsis.
Yeah.
So I'm like, Mama, you know what a Pepsi is? It's like, of course.
Oh, that's awesome.
So like when I didn't know what anything is, so then like, my mom started like researching, and then my dad sending me links and articles about Batmans and different things and Pepsis. So everyone could see, you see the red tape right there?
Yeah.
So that means those are original stickers from the manufacturer of Rolex. Some of the things I fell in love with the watch. So basically the first off is it's a ceramic bezel. This is 40 millimeters. As in the small hand, as you see, it's a Mercedes hands. So you have 3 time zones. So a lot of people are gonna ask, can you go both ways? Yes, you can. Okay. This is a ceramic bezel. So then you have 1 time zone here. So basically you'd set 1 time zone. So let's say London is 1 time. Then you could have the regular one is Dubai, and then you can have the blue line as a 3rd time.
Nice. This is coming off. Do you know what it is though? Look at that. Like I was gonna leave it off for today. This is beautiful, man. Wow.
Yeah, man, congratulations, man. I'm
Thank
really
you
happy
very
for you,
much.
man. It's,
Honestly, really
I know the
awesome.
feeling of having the first one, man.
You know what it was? Since I've moved to Dubai, it's been 1 year that I've been here. So I had a goal of like, in a few years, I'm gonna get a property, watch, and a few things like that. And we've managed to do it all in a year. So it's just been
amazing.
like a huge push. And for me, it's like setting a standard now that this is like what I want to push for, growing collection portfolio.
Exactly.
And it's just the energy surrounding around Dubai. Like I've been blessed to be around good people, and this is like a milestone for me.
But it's the reason why I also moved, same here, why I moved to like-minded people like yourself,
Yeah.
and it's like you keep on pushing. It's a reminder. I always tell people it's a reminder, and I always tell people treat yourself, man.
Yeah.
It was hard for me to treat myself for my first one, so
Yeah.
That's why like I know the first feeling for this one.
Yeah.
Our other videos are not going to be the first one, but maybe first one in a different collection.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
this
that's
feeling
it.
will always
Honestly.
be the most unique and the most,
That's honestly why I wanted to capture it.
Yeah, man,
It's
no,
such
like-
a special moment. Yeah.
This one will forever be a special piece to you. So you're gonna see have a different.
Yeah,
There's the
yeah.
other collections, it'll be like, okay, this is a good investment. What about this one?
Yeah.
More dressy, maybe a day date.
Yeah.
It'll be completely different.
Oh, that's beautiful, man. Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure, man. Congratulations again.
And he's very happy with the Rolex. Very happy. I'm proud of Sunny. You know, he's achieved a lot in life. It's good.
Yeah, thank you so much, man.
If there's anything else, let me know.
Yeah, no, definitely will. And once again, if you want to check him out, Big Mo, I will tag you on Instagram. Everything's in description. So yeah, man. Yeah. Thank you so much, bro. Yeah. Awesome, man. Thank you. Talking about this now, like how
In
it
uni.
means so much as a piece to me because, like, I remember, like, for example, back in the day at uni, it just wasn't this kind of situation. Like, I was like completely dead broke, and I just kept saying, I remember literally studying the way we used to study, Jay.
Yeah.
And it was like, I was like, you know, there's moments where you just want to give up and you're just like, I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to study anymore. I don't want to keep learning. It's just, all I kept saying was just trust the process, keep going. It's going to pay off. Trust the process, keep going. Milestones like this is where it just like, it really hits home because like, it's you proving to yourself in a way that like you did something and you did something like you hit a goal that you just thought was never going to happen. Like to invest in a watch is a big deal, like and even like the property and that kind of stuff. So it's humbling. It's like, I can't explain it. It's like one of the best feelings in terms of that. It just makes me want to go further, learn more, do more, be more, everything. And I want to have that same effect on every single one of the viewers, every single one of you guys. If you're feeling that way, you're feeling like you want to give up or it gets hard, trust me, I know what you're going through, but just keep going. Like, just honestly, Jay's been there with me from day one, like when we were still learning.
Day minus.
Yeah, day minus. And we just kept pushing and just never accept no, period. That's it. Like,
Don't give up.
Honestly, like, super grateful. Open. That was one hell of a day. Like,
Long day.
long day, but totally worth it. Mo came through with the Batman. It looks beautiful. Could not be more happier, and it's just a massive milestone. It was a pretty cool experience, isn't it?
One of many Rolexes or not?
Yeah, I think so. I think a collection is necessary at this point. With that said, that's the end of the vlog. We hope you guys have enjoyed it, coming along with us on this journey. It's been crazy, and we hope to do more vlogs just like this. Let us know what you think of the quality. Let us know what you think of the whole day. If you want to see more stuff like this, then just simply drop a comment down below. And remember, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 1 million subscribers in the PAPAFAM. And we remember when we got our first 10, and now we're getting like 200,000. So thank you so much. That's a huge milestone for us. As always, guys, I love and appreciate every single one of you. And as usual, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.